Yeah, I'm James. I've been here 21 years now and everything. I'm in charge of two-cycle area and I'm in charge of BTO. I got into machining. My grandfather was a tool and die maker for 30 years over at GE. So I was over at his house when I was like 12 years old, turning handles on the Bridgeport, running his engine lathe. He was teaching me about different cutters and how to do threading, and it was at a young age and everything. And then when he passed away in 2001, I was the machinist in the family, so I inherited his Bridgeport and his lathe, and that's kind of my hobby right now, what I do at home. I get out in the garage, clear my mind a little bit, go out there, turn some handles, and make stuff.
Hey, my name's Ryan Nau. I've been here at Wiseco about 17 years. I grew up as an enthusiast. Pretty much anything that had an engine or a piston and really made me excited about working on it. So when I got the opportunity to start at Wiseco, I started on the manufacturing floor running CNC equipment. And of course, started getting interested into engineering and did that part-time. For a few years, I ended up managing the engineering department and took interest in quality when that became available. So the last few years I've been working on quality of our product and working close with the customers and what they like. And currently it's great to have a job where it includes my passion. At home I do a lot of riding on the side. I have 3 kids that are all riding themselves and starting to help me work on their bikes. So it's been a great tradition to pass down to them and keep them on the front of the technology that we're learning here at Wiseco.
I mean, if you go to any like racetrack, I like to go and watch and drag racing. You go to any racetrack, whether it's like dirt bikes or four-wheelers, automotive or anything, you say the name Wiseco, everybody knows that name.
I'm working with engineering and the R&D team here, so we do a lot of work with building engines and projects and testing our product with different materials and components. So it's great to be here on site in Mentor and also get out and see how the customers enjoying our product. It's nice to be able to be part of the team here that tests it and or gets the bikes, and we get to tear the engine down and run it ourselves and then make our product better.
I enjoy what we do. I love the process. I love the product. I do a lot of the training. So when we get new hires in, I'll train them over on the pin bore or the lathes or the mills or our pin top stamp down in this area. So I like helping people and having people get involved and show them how this process works. And there's a lot that goes to a piston. It's not just a round slug that goes in a motor. I mean, there's a lot of work that's done to it, and it's very, very interesting. The people that I work with are amazing. I got a great crew of people that I work with. Everybody's passionate about the product that we make.